how do you fold these Chemex paper filters. So you'll see these come in basically just an 8.5 by 11 sheet of paper. They already come pre-folded like this. You have your folded edge in half, the other half fold. What I do is I take it, lay it down, that folded edge away from me, and I make a paper airplane. And so I put one crease here. And I use the pre-fold in the middle to kind of help me line everything up. I put a hard crease there. I flip it over. Same thing on the other side. Crease it really hard. You're going to pick it up. All your folds here in the middle. This becomes your cone. You then stick into your pour over. If you ever see the Chemex boxes, this is that design that you see on the top. That's what you're going for. Very simple, just 2 folds.